Hi everybody, my name is Val Cousins and this is going to be a 5 or 6 minute video showing you how to use the Tablelands Unite website. I am on a computer, but everything about this website and the next one, there's actually 2 websites involved in this. Everything about them is completely usable on mobile device. We have assumed that most people are going to be on mobiles. I'm showing you on a computer. So when we come from the Facebook group and we are directed to the website, this is where we land, tablelandsunite.com.au. Bree Hargreaves is looking after this website. This is her website. And I would suggest that you just, each time you come back here, just keep a bit of an eye on the text in this area because that will change. So what I'm going to walk you through is how to register yourself because you want to let people know that you are offering help or that you need help or both. And so there is another couple of buttons on this page which aren't live just yet, but they're coming, and Bree is going to be continuing to add things to this website. So make sure each time you come back here that you just take note of what the changes are that have happened on the website. So let's go through registering yourself and letting us know that you have got something to help with or what your request for help is. So you can choose either of these buttons and we just click. And we have been brought to the other website. Now this website is a collaboration between Startup and Innovation Tablelands and Atherton Chamber of Commerce. And I know that TRC is talking about supporting us as well. So there are definitely more people coming on board with looking after this website. So this is the Tablelands Unite Together website. And this is a database essentially. So when you land here, just have a quick read through of the text there. The very first thing you need to do is click on register here. So I'll click that and we're brought over here to the registration form page. Okay, so we just go through and add your details. I'm just speeding through, but you can have a look in your own time. Okay, and when you get to the bottom of this form, you click submit. Now this form will immediately return back to being an empty form so that if you are registering somebody else who can't register themselves, of course with their permission, then you can just fill it in again without leaving this page. So when you're done with this form, you click on next step, and here you are at the next steps. Now I just want you to take note that where we've just landed is back on this first page. Okay, it's just a bit further down. That button brings you to this part of this page. So from here you can add your requests, you can add your offers, you can add any useful resources that you're aware of, and if you've got a business, you can add your business services. Now this is not, we will be watching, this is not just for all businesses to just advertise themselves per normal. This is specifically for businesses who are offering some type of support through their business for our community during COVID-19, okay? So let's go through and I'll walk you through this first one, but these forms are all very similar. So we'll click on this guy, add your offer. And here we are at the offer form page. Same thing again, just scroll through, add your details in. And when you get to offer type, obviously there is, probably 17,000 things we could have listed in here, but we just want you to choose the best fit out of this list. And then if necessary, or if you want to, add some more details about what you've chosen in this list in the next box at number 4. Okay, so you work your way through to the bottom, click submit, and then click on return to home page. And here we are back at the home page. Okay, so then you can scroll down if you've done your offer and now you want to add a useful resource, for example. All right. So once you've done these things, and you may come back later on and want to add some more or need to change them. What we are going to do, if you've listed something in here and you need to change it, we are going to be providing a button just here. We're just working on that today. There will be a button here saying update my details. Okay. Once you've done all that, then you can come and use this top menu in the website. So if you're on a mobile device, you won't see these individual buttons. You'll just see the word menu and you tap on that and then these buttons will appear, okay? So what we can then go through is, what you can go through rather, is all the offers and requests and business services and resources that anybody else has added to this website. So this just went live last night and we've just redirected those buttons on the other page this morning. So we haven't publicly announced this website yet. We are doing that today. So at the moment, there's not a whole lot in there, but that will change, I'm sure, quite fast. So you can come through these offers. If you're needing help, you can come through these offers and have a look. And you can just click on one of these, and here are the details of the offer, and everything else that you need to know, oops, is in this box here that opens up. Okay, let's bring that back up there, and then we just close that. All right, and then so eventually or soon this will fill up, and here again is the button back to this home page again. So just want to talk quickly about resources, and this is any resources that that you're aware of that are particularly for during COVID-19. Okay, so it may be helplines, something from the local government, regional government, federal government, just the various services that you become aware of out there that we can use in our community. Okay. I think that's all I need to say. I do want to say that we have set this website up to be as simple as possible to move around. There's no way that you can get lost in this website. The menu is always at the top, and there's always a big, other than this home page, there's always a big green return to home page at the bottom of every page. So if you've got any questions about using this website, please put them in the comments area below this video post, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as I can. I may respond with a video answer so that you can see the answer. And undoubtedly, there's going to come a time soon where I need to update this video because these websites have changed so much. And I will do that as soon as that's necessary. All right, so take care, stay well, stay healthy. And really, this is us coming together now. Tablelands uniting together. So let's all look after each other. Bye.